Guys, ayan, nagagawa po tayo. Ito po yung omelette at ito naman yung lady finger, boiled lady finger. Okay? Scrambled egg. Okay? Okay, luto na po. At saka patatas, guys. Instead na rice, patatas ang kainin ni Shalala. Okay? Okay. Gawa tayo ng ating inumin, guys. 2 apple, 1 cucumber, at saka 1 lemon, at saka ginger. Okay? So, we done already, guys. Ang ato ang juice, guys, is very nice. Okay. Very nice. Thank you for watching.